Seconda parte del video. Allora, ho cambiato le corde, non si potevano sentire quelle altre, veramente. Seconda. Allora, prima di tutto questi hanno il sol basso, low G, low D, sorry, D, G, E, D, G, B, A, sol, re, sol, re, sol, si. Allora, first things. They said it's a solid core, and the way I see it, literally, I see like a laminate. Tell me your opinion. You see, it looks like there are some layers. Okay, however much problems. It was sloppy glued here. There were glue traces. I had to rub them off and color black so you cannot see it. The nut came undone literally immediately. I have to stick it, glue it. Other things, I don't know if the tuners work well because it's new, it's brand new. The looks is good. Other sloppy things, yeah, it was here the grooves for the strings. This was not big enough. I had to widen it. Okay, I don't know why they had high D string. Let's call them string. I would call shit. Good things, you have these dots here. Bad thing, it's not well done here. You see. Takes time for the to be sorry. You see. For the other things, it looks quite beautiful. Okay, it looks beautiful. Okay. Now I had to tune it several times. Okay. can't judge the tone. I'm not an expert. I've never played baritone. I've been playing the ukulele for 40 days. Never played a guitar. So what can I do? That is, I can't. Obviously, I'm not transposing now. So, yeah, I should do something I can. I wish now it will be difficult to sing it, and also I'm not used to playing this. I want to go back to my mother. I want to go back to my little grand. I want to go to my little grand shack in California, Hawaii. I want to be with all the candies and wine that I used to know so long ago. I hear the old guitars are playing on the witcher now. I can hear the old Hawaiian saying, Komo mai no kawaii ka lewe la kaluga kahau. I want to go back to my ship while we're sailing. I want to be on my ship there. Oh, it won't be long till my ship will be sailing back to Kona, a grand old place I always fair to see. You telling me I'm just a little Hawaiian and homely Samoa. I want to go back to my fishing port. I want to go back to my little ground bass in Kalakaluga. Why? When the just swimming by. Okay, I don't push. I'm not used to this one strings like with a. It's difficult to sing because I should change the chords in order to play in the right key. So I could change this. Let's see. Blue moon of Kentucky, keep on shining. Shine on the one that's gone and left me. Oh, blue, so blue. Okay. Blue moon of Kentucky, keep on shining. Shine on the ones that's gone and left me blue. I say blue moon of Kentucky, keep on shining. Shine on the one that's gone and left me blue. Blue. It was on the moonlight that stars shining bright whisper on high love said goodbye. Yeah. Oh, blue moon on Kentucky, keep on shining. Shine on the one that's gone and left me blue. Okay, this is a baritone. The same thing. How would it sound on a tenor? That looked big to me, now it doesn't look that big. Blue moon of Kentucky, keep on shining. Shine on the one that's gone and left it blue, blue. I said blue moon, Kentucky, keep on shining. Shine on the one that's gone, left it blue, blue. It was F, not G, C. It was on the moon one night, the stars shining bright, whisper high on a high love, whisper on her love, said goodbye. Oh moon, Kentucky, keep on shining. Shine on the one that's gone, left me blue. This is easy and I can't turn. Oh, it's heavy. Now I have to transpose. Blue moon of Kentucky, keep on shining. Shine on the ones that's gone and left me blue. I say blue moon of Kentucky, keep on shining. Shine on the one that's gone and left me blue. It was on the moonlight night, shining bright, whisper on high love, said goodbye. Oh, blue moon of Kentucky, keep on shining. Shine on the one that's gone. I have to go back 1/5, so I have to transpose. Hold this, hold. I'm reading the way it is. Hold me close. It doesn't. Okay, this can I change? Oh, maybe. I'm going to Kansas City, Kansas City I come. I'm going to Kansas City, Kansas City I come. There goes some crazy little women, and I'm gonna get me one. I'll be on the corner of 12th Street and Thing. So, what do you think? This is Italian. It was online 170 plus 10 euros for the shipment, 5 euros for cash on delivery. The good side is the case is good. I said baritone, I wrote it. Okay, I spoiled it. Okay, I hate when people think I'm playing the guitar. Oh, I play the guitar. The case is quite padded, you know. So it's good. There's no strap, and I'm gonna put a strap here and a strap here, a makeshift like the other one. So set me back, let's say 195. I had to change the strings because the strings were unadulterated crap. And this is L'Aquila. Let's see if it's after this time. Okay. Oh. That's normal. I can compare the sound of this. They said it's solid koa. I have doubts. It looks like koa. I showed before that this looked like laminated. There are two layers of something. Anyway, even though it's not expensive, considering it's a baritone, considering the finish, and you see, it's a budget baritone. Let's see the way it will sound after some months. Okay. It really sounds like a guitar to me. Okay, it was a long video. That's it. Next video I'll show how I put a makeshift strap like the other one, and so I can hold it and I can have it when I play it. I hate every time to have to hold it like a baby. Goodbye. It was here, yes, Sound-station. That's it. Now I have a baritone to contend with, and now it's time for me to learn the ukulele. I ordered some methods. I'm not dummy. It calls a ukulele for dummies. I don't know. And in time, I intend to play and sing some unusual songs that are not on YouTube. Most of songs have been played and sung by ukulele players, and let's see. Goodbye.